It's okay. Calm down. Okay, it's okay. Calm down. You don't need to be scared. I want to help you. There was an accident, remember? We saved you. Do you speak our language? Do you understand? I know you do. I heard you. I heard you talking our language while you were sleeping. Look, my friend, he went to the police to report it so they can find your friends and they'll get you.
No, I don't want that. They aren't my friends.
Okay, calm down. It's okay.
If the police, they catch me, I'll be ruined.
Calm down. You fell from that Greek ship, didn't you? Huh?
No.
Huh?
No.
Don't get
No.
up, okay?
No.
Calm down.
No, I
you
need
don't
to
have
go
to
now.
go now.
No, I need to go.
You're wounded. Calm down. I'll help you, okay? Go inside. It's okay.
It hurts so much.
You're hurt. Don't run away now. Look, if you tell me the truth, I can help you. Who are you?